Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are studying accounting for partnership firms by T.S. Grewal, double entry bookkeeping for class 12th. I hope that you have watched all my previous videos. My videos are short, precise, to the point and are therefore very time saving. Today we will discuss valuation of goodwill by super profit method by T.S. Grewal's book. Please watch the video to the end for better understanding of the topic. Please like, subscribe and share the video and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. So to start with the topic, let us again discuss the definition of goodwill. Goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm which enables it to earn higher profits in comparison to the normal profits earned by other firms in the same trade. It means what the businessman is earning, that earnings, if it is compared with the normal profits of the same trade, then the difference in the profit can be said as the goodwill. So today we will discuss valuation of goodwill by super profit method. So let us first understand what super profit is. So what is super profit? Excess profits are called super profit. So when we compare the profit of a firm with the normal profit, then the difference or the excess profit is known as super profit, and the goodwill is calculated on the basis of this super profit only. So we can say super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit means what the firm has actually earned, that is actual profit, and normal profit is the rate at which the business in the same trade are earning. So when we compare, so the extra profit which the firm has earned, that is termed as super profit. तो सुपर प्रॉफिट वो प्रॉफिट है जो एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट और नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट के बीच का जो अंतर है वही सुपर प्रॉफिट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मान लो एक फर्म ने कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट किया ₹1,00,000 और उन्होंने प्रॉफिट कमाया, एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट कमाया ₹25,000, जबकि नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न जो है इसी बिजनेस में 10% है. तो इस फर्म को कितना प्रॉफिट कमाना चाहिए था? इस प्रॉफिट को 1 लाख पे 10% प्रॉफिट कमाना चाहिए था नॉर्मली, दैट इज 10,000, बट they have earned 25,000. So the difference between super profit will be difference between actual profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 25,000 minus 10,000, जो कि हो गया 15,000. Now this is the super profit and this is our goodwill for this year, for 1 year. But generally क्या होता है कि हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, फर्म एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि आने वाले सालों में भी इतना ही सुपर प्रॉफिट हम कमा लेंगे. तो जितने सालों तक हम ये चाहते हैं या हमारा अंदाज़ा है कि हमारा सुपर प्रॉफिट इतना ही रहेगा, हम उसी से इस सुपर प्रॉफिट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई सुपर प्रॉफिट विथ नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स परचेस, देन वी गेट गुडविल. सो व्हाट इज गुडविल? गुडविल इज इक्वल टू सुपर प्रॉफिट इनटू number of years purchase. और नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट जो है कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू रेट. So let us see question number 35 from T.S. Grewal, chapter 3, Goodwill, Nature and Valuation, page number 3.33. A business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years and the normal rate of return in the similar business is 10%. Find value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method and super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Let us see the solution. One more thing, asset of the business are rupees 40 lakh and its external liabilities rupees 7 lakh 20,000. Let us see the solution. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, एवरेज प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, रुपीज 4 लाख एंड कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड is equal to assets minus external liabilities, which is equal to assets rupees 40 lakh and external liabilities 7 lakh 20,000. So ये आ जाएगा 32 lakh 80,000. Now normal profit we have to calculate. So normal profit is equal to normal profit rate is also given. Rate of return is 10%. So normal profit is 32 lakh 80,000 10%, which is equal to 3 lakh 28,000. Now we will calculate super profit. Is equal to actual profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 28,000. So super profit is equal to 72,000. अब फर्स्ट जो है, फर्स्ट इज सेइंग कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड. Capitalization of super profit. Then goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate. It will be 72,000 into 100 divided by 10. So goodwill आ गया हमारा 7,20,000. Same way, second part of the question, goodwill is to be calculated at 3 years purchase of super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. 72,000 into 3. तो हमें मिलेगा 72,000 into 3 is equal to rupees 2,16,000. So यहाँ ये आंसर है. This is our answer. Let us see the next question. A firm earns profit of rupees 5 lakh. Normal rate of return in similar type of business is 10%. The value of total assets excluding goodwill and total outsiders liability as on the date of goodwill are rupees 55 lakh and rupees 14 lakh respectively. Calculate value of goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method as well as capitalization of average profit method. So हम पहले ही कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड देख चुके हैं इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. अभी सिर्फ कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन. एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट इज गिवन 5 lakh. Rate is also given 10%, and capital employed is equal to total assets minus external liabilities या outside liabilities. Now total assets means total assets minus goodwill given in the balance sheet and minus preliminary expenses and all. So here total assets after all this treatment is given 55 lakh minus external liabilities 14 lakh. So it will be 41 lakh. Now अब नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू capital employed into rate, which is equal to 41 lakh into 10 divided by 100, which is equal to 4,10,000. So super profit, what will be the super profit? It's the difference between actual profit earned rupees 5 lakh and normal profit, means what the business was expected to earn on its capital employed at 10% rate is 4,10,000, but it has earned 5 lakh. It means difference is 90,000 extra. That 90,000 is the base for calculation of goodwill. So that is super profit. Super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 5 lakh minus 4,10,000, 90,000. Now the question says capitalization of super profit method. So goodwill will be equal to 90,000 into 100 divided by rate, which is equal to 9 lakh. This is the answer. Let us see the next question. Question number 37. On 1st April 2018, a firm had assets of rupees 1 lakh excluding stock of rupees 20,000. The current liabilities were rupees 10,000 and the balance constituted partner's capital account. If the normal rate of return is 8%, the value of the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 60,000 at 4 years purchase of super profit. Find the actual profits of the firm. Now in this question goodwill is already given 60,000 and we have to find actual profit of the firm. So let us see the solution. Question number 37, and see the assets capital employed is equal to total assets minus external liabilities. So it will be equal to 1 lakh plus 20,000, that is a stock. This is the asset minus external liabilities given in the question is 10,000. So capital employed is rupees 1,10,000 and rate is also given. Normal rate of return on capital employed is 8%. So let us calculate first our normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into rate divided by 100, which is equal to 1,10,000 into 8 divided by 100. So it will come rupees 8,800. Now in the question goodwill is given. So goodwill is equal to, we know the formula, goodwill is equal to super profit into four years purchase. 4 years purchase. And in the question goodwill is given 60,000 and super profit is not given into 4. So if we calculate this, super profit is equal to 60,000 divided by 4, which is equal to 15,000. Now so super profit, what is super profit? Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. So actual profit minus actual profit, we are not knowing actual profit, but we know normal profit. Normal profit is 88,000 minus 8,800, not 1000, is equal to super profit, which is 15,000. Now actual profit is equal to 15,000. Now this 88,000 will come on the other side, transpose it, so it will be plus 8,800, which is equal to 23,800. This is the answer of the question. Let us see the next question. Question number 38. Raja Brothers earned an average profit of rupees 30,000 with a capital of rupees 2 lakh. The normal rate of return in the business is 10%. Using capitalization of super profit method, work out the value of goodwill of the firm. So let us see the solution. Very simple question it is. Question number 38. See, average profit is given to us. Average profit is 30,000 and capital is given rupees 2 lakh and rate is also given. Rate of return is 10%. So our normal profit is equal to 2 lakhs 10%. That is equal to 20,000. Therefore super profit is equal to average actual profit minus normal profit. So 30,000 minus 20,000, which is equal to 10,000. Now goodwill is equal to super profit we have to capitalize it into 100 by 10. So goodwill is equal to 10,000 into 100 divided by rate. This 10 is rate here. So 10. Goodwill is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Answer. Now let us see the next question quickly. Rajan and Rajni are partners in a firm. Their capitals were Rajan rupees 3 lakh and Rajni rupees 2 lakh. During the year ended 31st March 2020, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1,50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization of super profit, assuming that normal rate of return is 20%. It is again a very simple practice question. Let us solve it. Question number 39 we are solving. Capital employed is equal to capital of Rajan rupees 3 lakh plus capital of Rajni rupees 2 lakh. It means capital employed is 5 lakh. And rate of return, normal rate of return is 20%. So normal profit is equal to 5 lakhs 20%. That is equal to 1 lakh. Now The question further says that average profit earned by the firm is rupees 1,50,000. So average actual profit is equal to rupees 1,50,000. So super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 50,000. Now we have to capitalize this super profit for calculation of goodwill. So goodwill is equal to, when we capitalize the super profit, it is super profit into 100 divided by rate. So when we calculate this, we get rupees 2,50,000. That is our answer. Now let us see the next question. Question number 40. Average profits of GS and company is rupees 50,000 per year. Average capital employed in the business is rupees 3 lakh. If the normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%, calculate goodwill of the firm by super profit at 3 years purchase and capitalization of super profit method. So it is just for your practice, but let us see how it is to be solved. Solution 40. Average profit is given to us is equal to rupees 50,000 for a year, and capital employed is also given. So capital employed is rupees 3 lakh and normal rate of return is 10%. Rate is equal to 10%. So normal profit we can calculate. Normal profit is equal to, what is normal profit? It is capital employed into rate. So 3 lakh multiplied by rate, that is equal to 30,000. Now super profit we have to calculate. Super profit is equal to actual profit, that is 50,000, minus normal profit 30,000, which is equal to 20,000. Now first condition is goodwill is equal to super profit into 3 years purchase. It means the firm is expecting that this super profit of 20,000 is expected for next 3 years. Therefore 3 years it is multiplied with. So it will be 20,000 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 60,000. Now second point of the question says that capitalization, we have to capitalize super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate, which is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 10. So goodwill will be equal to 2 lakh. That is the answer. Let us see the next question. Question number 41. A business has earned average profit of rupees 8 lakh during the last few years, and the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Find value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method and super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Assets of the business were rupees 80 lakh and its external liabilities is rupees 14 lakh 40,000. So let us see it. Question number 41st. Average profit is given to us. Actual average profit for the for past few years is rupees 8 lakh for the firm, and rate is also given. Rate is equal to 10%. And capital employed we have to calculate. Capital employed or net asset also we can say. It is assets minus external liabilities, which is equal to assets are for rupees 80 lakh and liabilities rupees 14 lakh 40,000. So when we subtract, we will get 65 lakh 60,000. Now normal profit we will calculate. Normal profit is equal to capital employed, that is 65 lakh 60,000, into rate, that is 10%, which will be equal to rupees 6 lakh 56,000. So super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 8 lakh minus 6 lakh 56,000, that is equal to 1 lakh 44,000. Now first point of the question says that goodwill is capitalized, super profit is capitalized, so goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate, which is equal to super profit is 1,44,000 into 100 divided by rate. It will come rupees 14,40,000. And second point of the question is goodwill is 3 years purchase. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 3 years purchase, which is equal to goodwill is 1,44,000 into 3, that is equal to 4,32,000. This is our answer. Now let us see the next question. Question number 42. Ajit and Baljit are partners in a firm. Their capitals are rupees 9 lakh and rupees 6 lakh respectively. During the year ended 31st March 2020, the firm earned a profit of rupees 4,50,000. The normal rate of return is 20%. Calculate value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization method and by super profit method if the goodwill is valued at a 2 years purchase of super profit. Let us see the solution. Let us see the solution. 42. Capitals are given. Total capital is 9 lakh first partner plus 6 lakh second partner. So total capital of the firm is 15 lakh. And rate is also given. Rate of return is 20%. And normal actual profit is also given. Actual profit is equal to rupees 4,50,000. So normal profit we will calculate. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into rate, which is equal to capital employed 15 lakh into 10%, that is equal to rupees 1,50,000. So super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit, which is equal to actual profit is 4,50,000. Sorry, rate here is 20%, so it is 3 lakh minus 3 lakh. So super profit will be equal to rupees 1,50,000. Now this 1,50,000 we have got. The question is asking first by capitalization. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate, which is equal to 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. So it will be rupees 7,50,000. And second portion of the question says that by super profit, if the goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 2 years, which is equal to 1,50,000 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 33 lakh. This is our answer. Here answer. Please like, subscribe and share the video and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thank you for watching.